This is the Beastmode Developments YouTube channel, so welcome. Welcome guys. Guys, today's the day. We are going to make a start on the floor pan of this Audi S3. We've got Ollie just come in to set up, get his welder and stuff ready, and we're going to be making, or I said he's going to be making a frame and a jig for this Audi S3 for that four-wheel drive setup. So let's get started. Now we've got the S3 body flipped on its roof. These are the points that we're going to be making the frame bolt onto. 1, 2, 3. There's going to be a large plate there. Same on the other side. 4, 5, 6. So we're going to use some 2-inch tubing to mount to these 4 points. That one and that one. And then we're going to use the flat plate that Ollie brung, which is hiding somewhere. We're going to use that flat plate to do these, and just obviously drill the holes out and stuff. And so yeah, and then obviously this box section tubing is going to be the strength of the frame that links it all together. We're going to get started now. Wish us luck. So here's where we're at then. We now have the frame fully built, welded. It's got a nice coat of X primer on there. Ollie's just leaving, thank you very much buddy. And we are going to give this a lick of paint just so it doesn't go rusty. But yeah, very happy with it, and this is going to help us out a lot in the future. Who knows, maybe we'll be using this same frame to do one of yours. But yeah, so we're going to get painting now. Did you just notice a switcheroo? Hand to hand. I'm ambidextrous, bro. Ambidextrous, bro.
You're what?
Ambidextrous.
Is that left-handed or right-handed?
Yeah. With some things I am.